Hello students, in last video we had learnt about the structure of an electrical cell. Okay, and so today we are going to study the structure of the torch bulb. So student, to on the torch, okay, or to get the light from the torch, we have to use an electrical cell. So in last video we had learnt about the structure of an electrical cell, but how we will get the light from the torch. So inside, when you open the torch, then you will find they're having one small bulb that is situated inside the torch. Okay, and from this torch we get the light. From this bulb we get the light. Means when we on the switch button of the torch, then from this bulb we get the light. Means electrical cell and the bulbs, these both are very useful for the torch. They are very needed for the torch to get us light. Okay, so student, let's see the structure of the torch. So in this bulb, they're having a thin wire. See, these are the two thin wires, and these thin wires that gives off light, and these wires are called filament. So we get the light from these two thin wire in the bulb, and from the bulb we get the light. So these thin wire are called the filament of the bulb, and the filament is fixed to the thick wires. Is two thick wires, and this filament is fixed to two thick wires, which also provide support to it. And this thick wire here having one thick wire, and this thick wire also provide support to the filament. One of these thick wires, they are having two thick wires. Okay. So from this one thick wire is connected to the metal case. So this is a metal case. So one thick wire is connected to the metal case of the bulb at the base of the bulb. And the other, see, this is the second thick wire. So the other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. At the center of the base. See, one wire is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb, and the other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. Okay, and the base of the bulb, see, this is a base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip, this is a metal tip. Base of the bulb, and this is a metal tip of the base are these two terminals. They are called two terminals. Okay, so these are two filaments, and the base of the bulb and the metal tip are called terminals. They are two terminals. Okay, terminals of the bulb. And these two terminals, 1 and 2, these two terminals are fixed in a such way that they do not touch each other. So that they do not say. So these two terminals are fixed in a such way. So so they do not touch to each other. And the electrical bulbs used at home also have a similar design. And see what you do. You have to observe the electrical bulb at your home. And you will find same structure of the bulb that you are using at your home. Okay, so both the electrical cell and the bulb have a two terminals. Okay, cell have a two terminal, positive terminal and the negative terminal, and bulb also have a two terminals. This is a metal tip terminal and the metal base. These are the two terminals. Okay, so student, like cell, the bulb also have a two terminal to gives off light. So student, this is a structure of a bulb. Student, my next question is, then why do they have these two terminals? Then why the bulb have these two terminals? So the bulbs have two terminals. So the bulbs have two terminals. Because a circuit can be completed only when they are both positive and negative. So like cell, bulb also have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. as the current flow is allowed only when the circuit is complete. When the circuit is complete. Okay, if bulb do not have two terminal, then the bulb didn't get the light to us. So like cell, bulb also have two terminals. One is a positive and another is a negative terminal. And because of this, the circuit will complete and we will get the light from this bulb. Okay. So student, this is the structure of a torch bulb. So student, read it again and complete your homework. Thank you students.